Two companies control the world, and yet you don't know them. When we think of the world's most powerful companies, we often think of Apple, Google, or Amazon. However, these companies small potatoes compared to the two behemoths that are BlackRock and Vanguard. BlackRock and Vanguard are the world's two most powerful investment funds with over 15 trillion in assets under management, roughly 5 times France's GDP. So how do these two companies control the world? The answer is simple. Vanguard and BlackRock own shares in all the world's most powerful companies. They are the largest shareholders in Google, Apple, Facebook, Amazon, and Microsoft. They are true financial monsters. They own absolutely everything: pharmaceuticals, transport, banking, media. It's simple. Every time you do something, you make BlackRock and Vanguard richer. Look at T-Fund. You make Vanguard richer, you go on Instagram. You make BlackRock richer, you buy an iPhone. You make Vanguard richer, and the most terrifying thing is that when you make Vanguard richer, you also make BlackRock richer. After all, the two companies are each other's largest shareholders.